In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get tables in BBQ It on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get more tables in the game, you need to first go to the shop. So make your way over to the shop, interact with this guy just like so. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see a table section. For whatever reason, there's like a chair next to it. They should have just put a table, but it is what it is. Open this up and you're going to see all the tables available for you to go ahead and purchase. There's a few different options on here. You want to find the table that you want and of course look at the price over on the right hand side. If you have enough price for it, you can go ahead and purchase it. Obviously, the more expensive the table, the better it's going to be. But go ahead and purchase whatever one it is that you want, and then it's going to pop up in your inventory where you can go to the yard and place it in here just like so. After that, customers can actually sit at the new table and they will, of course, buy your food, which is perfect. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.